If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's Kitchen, where I will be making the 56th holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making Badi. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take 1 cup of urad dal and soak that in some water for roughly about 6 to 8 hours. Then discard the water and with some fresh water blend to make a thick paste. Then take about 1 inch long ginger without the skin in a pestle and roughly crush it. It will really enhance the flavor instead of adding just chopped ginger. Then 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of ghee and a quarter teaspoon of salt. Now take a large bowl and in that add the urad dal paste, black pepper powder, the roughly crushed ginger, 2 tablespoons of ghee and some salt, and mix it up really well. Now the consistency of the mixture should be thick, just like this. So do not add any water to make it thin or runny. To make badi, we need a thick batter just like this. So after it's well combined, let it rest for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Now take lots of oil or ghee in a pan and set the flame on medium, and by hand drop small portions of the batter into the hot oil and fry until they are golden in color, and it will be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad Badi. So do try it at home and share your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.